If you've tried making a short film using AI, you've likely run into a common roadblock. The main character's face shifts and changes between every shot. Identity drift can break the immersion of an entire story. Google's Veo 3.1 model addresses this with a feature called Ingredients to Video. This allows you to generate high-quality motion, like this cyberpunk detective, while keeping the character's features locked from frame to frame. In this guide, we're going to build a 2-scene vertical video for YouTube Shorts, where the protagonist remains visually consistent across 2 different environments. Controlling who appears on screen from shot to shot allows you to move past technical experiments and focus on directing a scripted narrative. To start, you'll need a Google account, the Gemini mobile app, and a 2-location story idea. We begin by creating our main character. We'll use the Nano Banana Pro image model inside the Gemini app to generate our foundational visual. Enter your character description into the prompt box. For this example, we're using a cinematic portrait of a cyberpunk detective with glowing blue glasses. Review the 4 generated results and save the specific image that best fits your story to your camera roll. This image is your primary ingredient. It acts as the reference for every video clip we generate, preventing the character's identity from drifting in later steps. To create the first scene, upload that saved ingredient image back into the Gemini prompt interface. Before generating, you must adjust the output format. Go to the aspect ratio settings and select 9:16 portrait mode. Now, describe the action for this scene. We'll prompt the model with, "Looking up in surprise in a neon-lit rainy alleyway." The model animates the static image, adding facial expressions and environmental motion like falling rain and flickering neon lights that react to the character. By generating natively in 9:16, you preserve the full resolution for mobile-first platforms like YouTube Shorts, without needing to crop or resize the footage later. For the second scene, we need to move the character to a new location. Without a reference, the AI would likely change the detective's appearance to match the new lighting and background. The workflow requires you to upload the same ingredient image from step 1 for every subsequent scene. Avoid using text to describe the character a second time. With the original image attached, enter the new environmental prompt: drinking a coffee in a bright, sunny, futuristic diner. Look at this comparison. Even with the change from a dark, rainy alley to a sunlit diner, the character's jawline, glasses, and specific design remain consistent across both environments. Treating a single image as a strict prompt anchor allows you to maintain narrative continuity as your character moves through different parts of your story. For professional editing, you can access higher resolution export options through tools like Flow, Vertex AI, or the Gemini API. Toggle the upscaling feature to finalize your clips. You can choose between 1080p for standard workflows or 4K to bring out sharper textures and more clarity in the final render. This upscaling step ensures the AI-generated footage meets professional editorial standards for high-resolution displays. Here is the final sequence with the 2 clips played back-to-back. The movement is expressive, and the character identity is maintained through the transition. By following this workflow, you've gone from a single character design to a high-resolution, mobile-ready narrative with consistent visual continuity. Now you can try this yourself. Upload your own ingredient image into the Gemini app and see how many different scenes you can build around a single character. With Veo 3.1, you have the technical control needed to direct digital actors through complex stories, enabling professional-grade continuity for mobile-first content.